The Effect of the Scientific Temper on Man by Bertrand Russell. The 17th century men who invented the modern scientific method are credited with inventing a new mathematical technique. They are also known for rejecting the traditional view that nature functioned or worked according to human tastes, hopes, and fears. The traditional belief was considered superstitious and hence unscientific. For instance, before the coming of modern science, people held strong belief that diseases like pestilence and natural calamities like earthquakes were sent to punish man for their sins, as rains to reward virtue. The modern scientific temper abandoned such conservative beliefs. To find out how nature works, we must be guided only by careful investigation of facts. This scientific temper introduces men to the fact that nature does what it does, not what we should wish, nor what we should fear. From this scientific attitude, the modern world has developed the embodiments of the Western culture in the West, who were at first in a tiny majority and now are the men are ignorant of this development. Their literary counterparts hated them and called them narrow, cruel, and rude, whether for good or ill. It is scientific technique which is the main cause of the changes that the world is undergoing. The Industrial Revolution contributed to the defeat of Napoleon, was hated in the country where it originated, England, but later it spread to other Western countries and to Russia and Asia, which it is changing rapidly. Whether the scientific technique which alone the East wants to learn is boon or a disaster, it is an open question, but it is sure that it has changed the face of the world.